What's wrong, Gloria? Gloria's officially pregnant. What's the matter, Gloria? You preggo? You a teenage pregnancy cat? She's having her little babies. She's a little tiny little cat. Gloria, what's the matter? Gloria. Let's look at Goldie. Goldie. It's little Goldie. Goldie's really, really special. Goldie's so special. Goldie's so smart. And if you look deep inside there, you can see that there's a snail on that big rock. See it? And it helps clean this fish tank. Well, it's not a fish tank. It's a barrel. And I call it my goldfish in a barrel. Goldie's all the way down there. Goldie, you hiding?